What is a budget home theater setup?
A budget home theater setup is an affordable way to enjoy movies, shows, and music with improved sound and picture quality. By combining smart gadgets and streaming devices, you can create an immersive experience at home without overspending. With careful choices, it's possible to achieve great results using equipment that fits most budgets.
What basic equipment do you need?
Start with the essentials: a TV or projector, a streaming device like a Roku, Fire Stick, or Chromecast, and a sound system such as a soundbar or budget speakers. These items form the core of any home theater, delivering good picture and sound quality while keeping costs manageable.
How to choose the right TV or projector?
Look for a TV with at least 1080p resolution and smart features for streaming apps. If you prefer a projector, check for one with good brightness and decent built-in sound within your budget. Consider room size and lighting when deciding between the two, as projectors perform better in darker rooms.
What are good budget sound options?
Soundbars are affordable and easy to set up, often including Bluetooth for wireless streaming. Some budget soundbars come with a subwoofer for better bass. Alternatively, compact speaker systems can offer stereo sound. Either way, adding external speakers will noticeably improve your viewing experience over built-in TV audio.
How to set up streaming and connectivity?
Plug your streaming device into your TV or projector and connect it to Wi-Fi. Install your favorite apps like Netflix, Disney Plus, or YouTube, many of which offer free trials or low-cost subscriptions. Consider using an HDMI switch or simple remote controls to make switching between devices seamless and family-friendly.
Tips for enhancing your home theater experience.
Arrange seating for comfort and clear viewing. Use blackout curtains or dim lighting to reduce glare. Add inexpensive LED strip lights for ambiance. Keep cables tidy with cord organizers. With these simple touches, your budget home theater will feel cozy, inviting, and personalized. Perfect for movie nights at home.